this birthplace award among all the Rohingya camps. The video I submitted is about the history of the Rohingya people. Although I am not the storyteller in the video, but I worked on writing the subtitle and editing to make the story clear and powerful so that it can reach more people. I wrote this story because I believe that truth should never be silenced. The world must know that the Rohingya people are real. We have our own history. We have our own culture. And we have our own identity. And the right to live in peace. My goal was simple but very important. To let the world hear our truth. And to show that the Rohingya voice cannot be silenced. Even after many years of violence and loss, we have not lost our hope. We are still here. We are still strong. We are still full of faith to live with peace, to live with dignity, to live with identity. Our history is not only about suffering, but also courage, survival, and dream of a better future. My people have gone through so much pain. The burning of our village, the killing of our elders, and the sorrow of being faced, and the sorrow of being forced to leave our home. Many of us become refugees, not because we wanted to choice, but because we had no choice. These are not just events from history, they are painful memories that we still carry today. Even after everything, we have not lost hope. We still believe in peace, justice, and future where Rohingya can live freely and proudly in our homeland. This story means a lot to me because it tells the truth about my people. The Rohingya who has suffered discrimination and violence for many years in Myanmar. I hope that one day the world will stand together to make sure that no one ever has to experience such pain again. I am very thankful to Allah for giving me the strength to do this work. I also thank my teachers and everyone who supported me. This award and certificate encourage me to keep learning and continue using my skill to tell the story of my people. This story not about the past. It is about the truth that must be remembered and shared. I believe that writing and speaking about our history keep our voices alive. Thank you very much for this great honor, and thank you to everyone who continues to stand with Rohingya people. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.